Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create 3D floating social media ad using custom shapes. Start by choosing a dark background so the 3D shape look more dynamic. Now pick the ellipse tool and duplicate it 3 times. Use the emboss effect to add depth and create a floating illustration. Rotate each ellipse slightly to mimic cinematic lighting. Now add a transparent rectangle behind your main product. Apply motion blur to create a fast moving look. Next, position your product in the center with a soft glow.